with a tree here. This is all the reports that are available to this user. We're going to click on this key performance indicator report. We're going to drill down to the lowest level. Basically, the upper level here is going to be the report itself, and then each one below it's going to be the instances of those reports. So you can see here we've got report number 20 on 9/28/2008. This is report number 19. I want to drill down to the Baltimore area. We'll click on that link, and we'll get a report showing up in this screen here. Okay, so we have a KPI report, or key performance indicator report, for this demo client here. Some options that we have before we even mess around with the numbers here is we have an option to convert this report to Excel. That will send it to your Documents tab, and it will send it as numbers only. If there's formulas, it'll just be a number. It won't make formulas in Excel. You can do printer friendly. You can add it to your mobile device. If you log on to the FMS portal through the mobile website, it will bring up a list of reports that you've added to mobile. So if you go here and click add to mobile on the screen and then log in to the mobile site, you can view this report on your mobile device. And then you can also set as a KPI chart here at the top of the screen. If this report is like sales by department, that's really pretty handy for a KPI. This one with all of this information is going to be a little bit cumbersome, but you can at least get an idea of what it does. So if you click set as KPI, it throws a report up here at the top. So it's going to show sales and purchases for these people based on the graph. And you have options on your graph how you want it to be. And it's easy to remove it as well. And again, you have pie charts, 3D pie charts, etc. Some clients had asked for that, and we added that onto the dashboard for them. That's it for the actions up there, but let's look at the actual report itself. So this particular report is a tab-based report. You have current week and you have last year. But you also have sales, purchases, and all these other things. You'll notice a little plus here. You can open up sales, and you can see sales by department. Same thing with purchases, and so on and so forth. If your report is multiple pages, you can page down here and go all the way to the end, just normal navigation tools. If you notice, most of the items are going to have a link here for the number instead of just a text number like a formula would have. If it's a link, it means it's pulling an actual account or a range of accounts out of the system, and you can drill, or our clients can drill right down to the general ledger from here without having to log into the FMS software. So if we want to see what of grocery purchases is making up $186,000, we just click that, and a new tab will open up in our browser. And you can see we've got 3 different accounts from the general ledger making up the $186,000. Here's our net amount. If I want to drill down further, I just click on the account that I want to drill down into. So we'll click on purchases. And down below you'll see all the purchases that make up that $187,000. Now if the client is using AP imaging, where they're scanning AP invoices and they're being indexed to the AP invoice in the system, the image will show up here as well. So the client can go all the way from a KPI report down to the image that makes up a purchase, and you'll have an image button over here on the right. So this Pepsi Cola, if I click image, it's just going to open up in a new tab the invoice itself. And the client now can save, print, email, whatever they want to do based on the PDF browser options.